G'day everyone, we've risen to the challenge and bought some risen flour. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's just a nice local supplier that makes high quality artisan flour suitable for bread making. So what we're going to be doing is having a look what we can get from there. We're going to actually cook up some loaves and see how this bread tastes. To achieve this, we've gone ahead and we bought their bread making kit, and the kit's a really good price. It's only $30, and for the $30 you get a bread scraper, a natural bread improver. I'm not quite sure how much of this we use, but we shall check it out. We get a large tub of instant yeast, and we get two 2-kilo packs of flour. One wholemeal, which we won't be using just yet because certain people in this household don't like wholemeal bread. And we have strong white flour, ideal for bread making. Now this turned out to be really handy because Risen Flour are only just around the corner from us in Vic Park. So if you're in Perth and you cook bread, give these guys a shot. I'll put the link to them down in the description. Nice little family business run by Jan and Eric. I'm not going to say their last name because I'll mispronounce it. But they deliver. So I'm not sure where they deliver to, how far abroad you can go, but they certainly deliver around the Perth metro area. They even gave us a fridge magnet. Oh, that didn't work. So while we were getting the bread making kit, I thought we'd get something I really like, even though certain other people don't, and that is some rye flour. I'm going to make a rye sourdough. That'll be in a separate video, so we will do that a bit later, but I love rye bread, and I've been watching a German sourdough maker, and how he makes rye bread looks really good, so we'll give that a shot. So how are we going to cook this? We're going to make a normal sort of bread first of all, just to see what the flour's like. And to achieve that, by the way, that rye flour was $12.95 for 2 kilos. So for high quality flour, I reckon that's a good price. So how are we going to make this? We're not going to do it as a sourdough. We just want to see how the quality of this flour compares to the normal one we buy. So we went off to Kmart and we bought their bread maker. Not terribly exciting, so we're not going to do anything about describing it, but oh yeah, there he is there. It's just a stock standard bread maker, does all the normal things. How much was it again? $79? $79, so just a cheapie, and we'll use it to try out the different flours. So what we'll now do is I'll put a loaf on in here. We won't bother videoing that because all bread makers are the same, aren't they? But what we will do is when it's finished, we'll cut her open, see what it tastes like. Be back soon. Well, timer's just gone off, and it looks like we've got really good yeast because the bread has risen all the way to the top. It's stuck a little bit on the window. So it's made a bit of a funny pattern on the bread, but here we are. Oh, that looks all right. Let's get it out. But that's with a, that is really risen well. That is with a medium crust. So I think we might even go darker next time, but it's not bad. It looks pretty good to me. How's it smell to you?
Like bread.
Yeah, and it's really, really risen well. I'm impressed. So I think our yeast is really good. We shall try it soon. Let it cool down a bit first. It's cooled. It's time to try it. This could be hard to cut, so I'll just cut the crust off. Oh no, not too bad. Cutting nicely. Looking good. That is very light and fluffy. Might put it on the side. Oh, smell that bread. Oh, that smells beautiful. All right, let's get some butter. Oh, it's going to be hard to spread on there, but we'll try. Tastes like white bread. What do you reckon, nice or not?
Really good.
Yeah, I thought so. That is nice.
Fluffy.
Very fluffy, very light. Superb texture. This is probably the nicest white bread I've had in ages. That's really good. And I think that's because of the really high quality flour that we're using from our new friends at Artisan Flour. Give them a shot, but highly recommend them. Well done, guys. Like your flour. And as I said, this is not sponsored, just a good local family company to buy from. Let me know in the comments how you get on with finding high quality flour for bread baking. In the meantime, enjoy life. I'll catch you in the bread shop, which is a bakery.